Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 easy weight loss techniques specifically for women. We'll be covering everything from diet to exercise, so you'll have a complete toolkit to jumpstart your weight loss journey. Remember, everybody is unique, so it's all about finding what works best for you and your goals. Let's get started. Intermittent fasting is like giving your body a break from digesting. It allows your digestive system to rest and rejuvenate, which can lead to numerous health benefits. By taking these breaks, your body can focus on burning fat more efficiently. This process can help improve your metabolism and support weight loss. It's not about what you eat, but when you eat. Timing your meals can make a significant difference in how your body processes food. A popular method is the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and have an 8-hour eating window. This method is easy to follow and can be adjusted to fit your lifestyle. Don't worry, this doesn't mean starving yourself. You can still enjoy your favorite foods just within a specific time frame. You can adjust the fasting and eating windows to fit your schedule. Whether you prefer to eat in the morning or evening, there's flexibility to make it work for you. Remember, listen to your body and start gradually. It's important to ease into intermittent fasting and find a routine that feels comfortable and sustainable for you. With patience and consistency, intermittent fasting can become a valuable part of your wellness journey, helping you feel more energized and balanced. Chapter 3: Strength Training, Sculpt and Strengthen. Ladies, strength training is your best friend. It's not just about building big muscles, it's about boosting your metabolism and burning more calories even at rest. Don't be afraid to lift weights. Start with bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and lunges. You can gradually add weights as you get stronger. Remember, consistency is key. Chapter 4: Height, Short Bursts, Big Results. Short on time? HIIT is your answer. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is perfect for those with busy schedules. High-intensity interval training involves short bursts of intense exercise, followed by brief recovery periods. These quick, powerful sessions are designed to maximize your workout efficiency. This method torches calories and improves your cardiovascular health. It's a fantastic way to get your heart rate up and burn fat in a short amount of time. A simple HIIT workout could be 30 seconds of jumping jacks, which really gets your blood pumping, followed by 15 seconds of rest, allowing your body to recover just enough to go hard again. Repeated for 10 to 15 minutes. This cycle can be repeated multiple times, making it a highly effective workout. You can customize it with different exercises you enjoy. Whether it's burpees, sprints, or mountain climbers, the choice is yours. Tailor your HIIT routine to keep it fun and engaging. The best part? You'll feel accomplished and energized, ready to tackle the rest of your day with vigor. Chapter 5: Hydration, the foundation of weight loss. Never underestimate the power of water. Staying hydrated is crucial for weight loss. Water helps flush out toxins, boosts your metabolism, and can even reduce cravings. Aim to drink 8 glasses of water throughout the day. Carry a water bottle with you everywhere you go as a reminder. You can even add slices of lemon or cucumber for a refreshing twist. Outroast, start your journey today. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness and diet advice. Remember, starting your weight loss journey is a personal decision, and it's all about progress, not perfection. You've got this. See you next time.